Good morning, teachers and classmates. I am Princess Wells and I am one of the reporters in Krebs Cycle. And I'll be explaining the process of Krebs cycles. Just excuse my voice as I am not currently well. So let's start with the first step. The first step is pyruvate. And pyruvate is right through the glucose, which is a 6-carbon compound. And it is split into 2 molecules of pyruvate, which is a 3-carbon compound. The next step, it includes the oxidation of pyruvate into acetyl-CoA by the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. And in this reaction, a molecule of carbon dioxide and a molecule of NADH is generated. The acetyl-CoA is a 2-carbon compound. And in the next step, the acetyl-CoA combines with oxaloacetate, which is a 4-carbon compound, to form citrate. Hence, resulting molecules is a 6-carbon compound. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme citrate synthesis. And in the next step, citrate is isomerized into isocitrate by the enzyme aconitase. Next, the isocitrate is oxidized into alpha-ketoglutarate by the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. And in this reaction, a molecule of NAD is reduced to NADH, and a molecule of carbon dioxide is generated. Hence, the alpha-ketoglutarate is a 5-carbon compound, since one molecule of carbon lost into carbon dioxide. Next, the alpha-ketoglutarate is converted into succinyl-CoA by the enzyme alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. And in this reaction, molecule of NAD is reduced into NADH, and a molecule of carbon dioxide is released. Hence, succinyl-CoA is a 4-carbon compound. And in the next step, the succinyl-CoA is converted into succinate by the enzyme succinyl-CoA synthase. And in this reaction, a molecule of GTP is generated. Next, succinate is converted into fumarate by the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. In this reaction, a molecule of QH2 is generated, which is used for the production of FADH2. Fumarate is then converted into malate by the enzyme fumarase. And in the last step, malate is converted into oxaloacetate by the enzyme malate dehydrogenase. And in this reaction, also NAD is reduced into NADH. Now, let's look at the results of Krebs cycle. Through each cycle of Krebs cycle, the following products are generated: 3 molecules of NADH, 1 molecule of FADH2, 1 molecule of GDP, and 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. Now, since glucose is split into 2 pyruvate compounds for each molecule of glucose, these cycles run twice. The products formed are 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, 4 GTP, and 4 carbon dioxide. All NADH and FADH2 are next fed to the electron transport chain for the generation of ATP.